Mickey ear video, and I'm so excited about it. This is definitely going to be a lot of tutorials coming up on the ones you've never seen before, so stay tuned if you want to know how to make them. All right, this one is our classic sewn ears, and we already have a video. This was actually my first Mickey ear video ever, and you guys should go check it out if you've never seen it. It's a great way to make Mickey ears if you are a sewer. If you're not a sewer, our classic no-sew Mickey ear tutorial is really fun. It's just a really fun way to make Mickey ears without having to sew anything. And then of course, put either pair of those ears on a pair of hat and you've got another way to make Mickey ears. I love using hats because they protect your face from the sun in the park. Beanie ears are really fun too, and especially if your trip is colder than you expected, I loved that I had these on hand. Bandana ears are really fun for little boys. They love to wear Mickey ears just like the girls, but sometimes a headband is a little too feminine for them, so bandanas are a fun way to go. Hoodie ears are also another fun way to go for the boys or the girls, and also the babies. They don't realize that they're wearing Mickey ears, and it's so cute. Mod Podge glitter ears were really fun. They're really inexpensive, especially if you just get the ears that I have in my Amazon store. You can just use some Mod Podge and glitter. We'll also be doing some Mod Podge other ears in a second. Okay, fur ears are absolutely one of my favorite things to make because they're so easy. Fur is so forgiving and so fun. Paper ears is brand new idea and concept, but they turned out super cute, and there will be a tutorial coming soon. Dollar store ears. These might not be my favorite, but there are lots of other ideas that you can do with dollar store stuff. We've got lots of different ways that you can do it with, whether it's pipe cleaners or a pre-made headband or using some glow sticks. This will definitely be a tutorial coming soon because it was so cool. Okay, little flowers. I know a lot of people have done tutorials on this. We will be doing a flower tutorial on a bunch of different flowers, but I love the look of using little flowers. And big flowers. I actually loved this when they were done, and it's so simple and so easy just to use 2 big flowers on a pair of Mickey ears, and a lot of people asked me where I got these, and I just let them know I made them. Hoop earrings. Okay, when I thought of this idea, I was so excited because they're so simple and so easy, and they can be really inexpensive. So we just paired them with a bow, and I will have a whole video on different types of jewelry you can use to create your Mickey ears. Clip-ins. So if your child doesn't want to wear a headband or they just want to wear their hair up, you can make a clip-in bow and clip-in Mickey ears, and they will forget that they have them on. And if they're really finicky, you can just do a bow, and then you can make their hair into Mickey ears. This was actually on a headband. You can do a clip-in bow or a ponytail holder bow or a headband. Cricut drawn and hand-painted ears. This will be a tutorial, and it is very fun, and I was so in love with it when I came up with it, and there's so many ideas coming with this concept pretty soon, so watch out for that one. Mod Podge image transfer ears. So this technique is really cool, and I can't wait to show you guys how to use Mod Podge to image transfer. It's not even that hard, and I loved it so much. Painted hats. This is already a video we already have, but of course we loved them, so we brought our Mickey and Minnie hats to the park and made sure we got some shots of it at Toontown because these were so cute when they were finished. Repurpose Mickey ears. So these are the ears that we buy off of Amazon, and they're really inexpensive, a little flimsy, but they're really fun to put onto hats, and of course using really cute hats. And then earmuffs. Briley loves earmuffs, so I thought, of course, you have to have Mickey ears on them if you're going to be wearing Mickey ear, or if you're going to be wearing earmuffs in the park, because who does that? But Briley does. Interchangeable bows. This is a really fun concept because they can switch back and forth. You can also make a bunch of different ears and a bunch of different bows, and then you can go to the park so much and never be wearing the same Mickey ears. Foam ears, and this is something we use the Cricut for, so there will be a tutorial on this and how we use it to cut out shapes. You can also use faux leather. Anna is wearing the faux leather ears in here. I'm actually wearing foam ears. Yarn. I will have a tutorial on how to make Mickey ears out of yarn in this way. There's a couple different yarn tutorials coming, but this one is a fun one. Tulle Pom Poms, this one is coming up first, and I'm so excited because I love this hat so much. I love the concept, and I just wanted to make so many of these hats when they were done because they turned out so cute. And rope. Now, rope would only work for certain characters, but I loved the idea of doing this, so if you love Woody, use some rope. And then hair, if you love Rapunzel, we used doll hair for this. This will be a tutorial. I know I showed you guys that I bought hair and you guys were kind of confused. Light up ears, we've got a couple different light up ears coming in a video, but this was a really fun way to make some pretty nighttime ears in the park. Glow stick ears, like I said, we got these from the dollar store, and I will be showing you a tutorial on how to create them. And light up bracelets, which I also got from the dollar store, which was a super fun concept. And then bangles, so instead of the hoop earrings, you can also use bangles to create the ear shape of the Mickey ears, and then you can put a bow or flowers like we did here. Dreamcatcher ears, so I will have a tutorial on how I created the Dreamcatcher, but these ears are so cute. I will also have the tutorial on how I created the ears as well, because of course you need to know how to do that. You can DIY up your hat with felt or anything, and then use your pre-made Mickey ears to add to that. Beads were really fun, and I wanted to make so many more of these. These were jasmine inspired and so easy. This will also be a tutorial coming soon. Flower crown, I love using the flower instead of a bow. Iron-on hats, we already have a video for this, but taking your favorite saying and ironing it onto a hat, and then using any type of ears to add to your hat. Yarn Pom Poms, these were really fun and really crazy, but they were so cute when they were done. Confetti ears, I was so excited when these ones turned out so cute, and we did them a couple different ways, but these are really fun, and I will show you how we did them and how I actually made them better after I made these ones. Duct tape ears, these are gonna be fun for all those younger kids who love to make their own ears and love to use duct tape and might not know how to sew. This will be a fun tutorial for them to follow. Crystal ears, we have a tutorial on how we do this. These are completely blinged out ears. We made these for the 60th anniversary, and these are really fun to wear, especially at night when the lights hit them. They're so sparkly. Crystal and wire ears. This is a tutorial that most of you guys have seen, I hope, but if you have not and you're new here, check this tutorial out. We have printables for this specific pair of ears, and they're very pretty and very fun once they're done. Crown ears, you can pair a crown with any pair of ears, whether it's a hat or headband, and they're fun for like bride and groom, which we have been for too long, obviously. Template ears, now these are our new fabric template ears that will be coming out pretty soon this year, and they're pretty much just ready to go, and there will be a tutorial on how to use them. They are on a pair of fabric. Glitter sheets, you can pick up glitter sheets at Hobby Lobby or any craft store, and we use the Cricut to cut them out. You don't have to, you can just cut circles out of them, but they make super cute, really fast, and inexpensive Mickey ears. Felt ears are also super fun. I went a little overboard with this pair because I love the Mad Hatter, so I wanted to make a little felt hat, and there will be a tutorial on how to do that pretty soon as well, but I just paired them with a hat and thought it was so cute. Pearls. Pearls are really fun. You can do them a couple different ways, so we'll have a tutorial on how you can do that. This one is just a fun wraparound wire pair, and I actually ended up loving these ears so much more than I thought I would. Hand painted ears. These ears are actually all hand painted to get exactly the fabric that I wanted, so I will definitely show you guys exactly how to create hand painted Mickey ears. Use the Cricut on felt to decorate a hat like we did with our Mike and Sully ears. This was just 3 circles and I glued them to the hat. Use your Cricut, so you'll notice that in a lot of these ears I did use the Cricut, and I actually have a fun SVG coming out that will be free on my blog, and it will create a really easy way for you to just cut circles and templates and sewing templates and no-sew templates and all that. So I'm excited to share that with you guys in an upcoming tutorial. Pipe cleaners are a really, really fun way to let kids kind of make their own Mickey ears. They can get crazy with the colors and just make whatever characters they want. Little Pom Poms, this was fun for maybe a birthday. I got these at the dollar store, so that was really a fun find for me, and I actually like how these turned out. Alright guys, so that was our 50 Mickey ears. There will be tutorials coming. Let me know which ones are your favorite in the comments. I love you guys, and don't forget to click subscribe if you're new here. Bye!